icy start, windy start. Meteorologist Pamela Gardner, take it away.
Yes, we had a lot of snow and a significant storm system yesterday, so everything that we got froze over. It's extremely icy, especially north and west of the city. How about in Boston? We are actually closer to where we should be for this season. 28.1 inches of snow has fallen, and the deficit just 4.7 inches. So it is definitely a snowy February here, the snowiest February in the last couple of years. We also picked up some rain on top of that snow. It was a gross day out there. 1 to 2 inches of rain fell on top of that snowpack, and that's why it caused so many issues on the roads. Lots of standing water and ponding on the roads too. Now all of that is just a skating rink on any untreated roads or surfaces, so be careful with that. And it was quite loud overnight. We have high winds that continue throughout the day today. High wind warnings mean that we could see peak gusts between 55 and 65 miles per hour, with scattered outages and damage likely throughout the day, especially in higher terrain areas where we've had the heavy snow and we've had also the ice caking the tree branches, the power lines. We're watching for that. South and east also experiencing some of those high numbers, 50 to 60 miles an hour through this evening. Overnight, it stays blustery and breezy, and by tomorrow afternoon, we're still pushing 45 to 55 miles per hour from the west. So another windy day on Tuesday, although it subsides slowly and we get near calm by Wednesday. But our first alert live radar, you see these scattered snow showers across upstate New York, spreading in from the Great Lakes and landing across parts of the North Shore at this time, right around 25 degrees in Swampscott. And that's where, across Marblehead and even Hunt, that's where we have some light flurries. Not anticipating any accumulation, as these things are moving very quickly thanks to the wind across Barrie. Some light snowflakes and showers from New Bedford to Barnstable. Temperatures indeed below freezing, and in all spots it is icy cold. So you can track all this right along with us. Download our app. It's new and improved, the weather page. It's awesome. You can see hour by hour forecasts. Here's one I'll show you right now for Boston. It feels like 10 degrees, 26 for an actual temperature, not even breaking 32 degrees today. So tonight it stays icy yet again. We refreeze things in place, and Tuesday 25 blustery, just nice and cold the next several days. How about that storm system? Maybe you've seen some stuff on social media. There's an area of low pressure on Thursday. Okay, this still looks like a coastal storm, but we have another wave, a little boundary, if you will, moving in from the northwest. This can help to actually push and suppress some of that snow farther to the south and east. So with that, we still have a couple options, a farther south track and a farther north track. But even with that northerly track, a few inches of snow south and east, that's what we're looking at worst case at this point. So things are trending lower with the snow totals on Thursday. Still, we'll be watching for that storm system moving in. In the meantime, don't blow away out there. It stays windy through tomorrow.
Yeah, we got to deal with that, and then we got to focus on Thursday.